Hey guys, this is Goldy again, and in this video I'll show you how you can insert checkboxes in your Google Sheet and use it like a task manager. So for that I'll go to Google Sheets, and by the way, this is a newly launched feature. Google just launched it I guess in April 2018, within this month itself. So I'll click on add a new sheet, and here you can define the stuff. For example, I will say this one tasks and this one as status, and then I can give my task the names. I'm just making that up just to quickly wrap this video. And here in status you can add checkboxes. Now the way you add it is you can select either the whole column, or you can just select where you want to insert checkboxes, and then you will go to data. Under data you will go to data validation, and you will find a new feature here which says checkbox. Click on that, and you can either accept any other input other than checkbox by clicking on show warning, or you can reject the input which is other than checkbox. So I'll click on reject input, and you can also provide them some context in case if they try to enter any other value, and then you can say save, and you will notice that the checkboxes are right here. Now I can just check them in or out. So that's a new feature which Google just released. I thought to just do a quick video on this. Hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to put your comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you so much.